Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials in Hand. In this video tutorial we are going to see how to display calendar in Python. So without further ado, let's get started with it. So first of all, let's create a new file by clicking onto this icon and let the file name be simply code.py. Now let me talk about the agenda of this video. So in this video we are going to see how to display the calendar of a particular month. So let me write those. And secondly, we will see how to display the calendar of an year completely. And then we will see how to check whether or not an year is leap year. So this is the overall agenda of this video. So let's start with the first one, which is we are interested in finding the calendar of a particular month. So in order to display the calendar, we have an inbuilt module in Python whose name is simply calendar. So the very first thing that we will do is we will import that module, and the way how we will import is, so we will simply write import and then the module name. So let's write it. Now, since we have got this calendar, now we will use the inbuilt function of this calendar module, with help of which we can print the month's calendar. And that input function will take two parameters, and those parameters are year and month. So we will ask the user to provide us with the year and the month. So let's have a variable called year itself, which will contain the year provided by the user. So we'll simply write input function and then enter the year. Now we know that this function is going to return us an string which is not going to serve our purpose. So we will cast it to integer type. So the way how we will cast it is simply like this. Within the parenthesis, we will put this input function. Now the same thing we will do for the month, and let's convert it and let's write month. Yeah. Now let's print the calendar of the month, and the way how we'll do it is simply with the help of print function. Now let me show you how to print the things up. So what we will do is we will first of all use this module name. So the module name is calendar, and then we will invoke the month function which is already there in this module, and then we will simply write month, and this month will take two parameters. Those are year and the month. So we will simply write year and then the month. So if I try to explain this program, then first of all we have imported our calendar module, and then we ask the user to provide us the year and the month whose calendar they want to see, and then with the help of this inbuilt function called month, we have asked the program, or we have asked basically to show us the calendar, right? Now let's print it and see it working. So the way how we will print it is like we will write python and then the file name .py. Now see, it's asking me to enter the year whose calendar we want, so let it be 2023, and then it will ask me to enter the month whose calendar actually we want. So let it be November itself. So for November we will give 11, and boom, here you can see that the calendar of November has been displayed. So this is how we can print the calendar of a month. Now let's see how to print the calendar of the entire year. So the way how we will do it is with the help of another function. See, for printing the month we have month inbuilt function, and to print the calendar of the entire year we have a function called calendar. Now this calendar function will take only will only take year as input. Now let's comment it out and see it working. Now let's run it. So let me clean it up. Yeah. Now let's run it. So see, it's asking me to enter the year whose complete calendar we want. So let the year be simply 2023, and boom, here you can see that it displayed me the complete calendar of the year 2023, right? So these are the two things that we have seen as of now. Now let's also explore the third one, which is how to check if an year is leap year or not. So to do that, we have another inbuilt function called isLeap. So the way how this isLeap function works is, if the year provided to this function is a leap year, then it will return true. If it's not, then it will return as false. So let's start with the true one, and we know that 2012 was a leap year. So let's start with it. So let's run it, and the way how we will run it is simply python and the file name .py. So let me give 2012. So it should give me 12. Sorry, it should return me true. And boom, here you can see that it's saying that it's true. Let's have a negative check. So to do that, let's give 2023. So the expected result should be false. And boom, here you can see that it's showing me false. So overall, if I try to recap the complete video, then we have seen how to display the calendar of a particular month of an year, and then we have seen how to display the entire year's calendar, and finally we have seen how to check if an year is leap year or not. There are number of very useful and interesting functions which is there in calendar module. You can explore them all, and it will be very much interesting for you to do that. So as of now I am ending this video, but still if you have any doubt and if you want to have more videos on it, then feel free to drop it down in the comment section. So this was all about the video. Thank you.